Hello family, it's Rams. Today we are coming to you all the way from Wilro Park. Yeah, we're in Wilro Park next to Remsek here. Um, we have a machine. It's a DeFi 381 if I'm not mistaken. Drainage issue. So the client was complaining that before it stopped draining, it was making a very loud noise, and water was not going out, and the clothes sometimes were coming out wet. So upon investigation, we found that the blades on the drain pump actually broke off. So there was some stuff there, coins. Uh, I'm suspecting that damaged the machine. As you can see, we're just manually draining it now. Technician is busy. As you can see, this is the water that came out. It's currently busy with the machine. Gonna full fine diagnose and see what's happening.